Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can cut clips in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the option to start a new project. Right here, you're going to find open project, new team project, and open a team project. So right now, I'm going to create a new project by clicking on create new. And then right here, we're going to go to media file. Then I'm going to choose this one, for example, click on import. And then once you do that, as you can see guys, the media file will be added. So right now, if you want to cut clips, for example, if you want to split this layer, you can just go to the place where you want to split it using the time indicator right here. And then once you do that, just go ahead and click on Control plus Shift plus D on your keyboard. And as you can see, guys, it's splitted right now. You can also go to Edit and then go ahead and search for split layer. It will do the same job. So right now, if you want to, for example, cut the layer, all you need to do, guys, is select the layer you want to cut. Then go ahead and click on Edit, and then click on Cut right here. Or you can also click on Control plus X on your keyboard. As you can see, guys, like this, you will be able to cut the layers. You can also paste the layer you cutted using Control plus V on your keyboard, and then this is how you can do it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.